the 1999 Mercedes-Benz M-Class. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a 3.2-liter six-cylinder engine. Mercedes-Benz prioritized comfort and style by including a rear window wiper, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, a built-in garage door transmitter, heated door mirrors, and remote keyless entry. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, a cassette player, and 4 well-positioned speakers. Mercedes-Benz also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.